Get excited about the 2020 Honda Ridgeline. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.